Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device through Bluetooth. Firstly, open Settings, then choose Connections and tap on Bluetooth. Click on the switcher to activate it and wait for available devices to show up. Then tap on the one that you want to connect to and choose OK. Wait for the other device to accept connection request. As you can see, my device was successfully connected. If you want to forget this connection, click on this gear icon over here and select on pair. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!